Hi everybody, welcome to Mount Carmel Bluffs Phase 2 Independent Living. My name is David Palmer. I am the project developer with Senior Housing Partners, Presbyterian Homes. This is the first of a few update videos that we hope to bring you on a regular basis. We are standing in the atrium area that will be the entrance to the independent living phase. This area was designed to connect the mother house with the independent living and is going to be open with our fantastic archways and great views of the river. In front of us you'll see two of our key design features. We have balconies that are going to be able to come from either side and overlook and see the magnificent views from the second story. Here we're in our wellness center. We're in the aerobics room where there will be scheduled exercise classes regularly. I'm standing in front of an area that's going to be all glass that's opening up to the riverside of our site. Over here, as we go through, we will cross to the exercise room where our exercise equipment will be. So in here we'll have strength machines, treadmills, and new steps. We're still in the wellness center. Behind me is our swimming pool. Our swimming pool gets to 5 feet deep and is where we'll have some water exercise and lap swimming. As you can see, we have a nice sloped floor. The screen will be at the head of the head wall. We will have approximately 50 theater-style chairs in this area. We also have a concession area at the back of the room so that you can enjoy treats during the weekly movies. So we're on 4th floor and we're about to go into one of our signature units. This unit is a wild lupine. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit. So as you can see, we have our framing in, we've started insulating, and a lot of our mechanical systems are being installed. Electrical, plumbing, heating. Down the corridor are 2 bedrooms and both bathrooms, and also the laundry room. What makes this one of our premier units is the fact that it's one of our turret units. So as you can see, this is a fantastic space that has fantastic views down the river. So we're still on 4th floor. We're in a unit that's called a Larkspur. We're facing out west here, so we'll be able to enjoy beautiful sunsets in a unit like this. We're standing in the sunroom, and as I walk through, this is a 1-bedroom unit. And now I'm standing in where the kitchen is. So now we're on the 2nd floor in one of several of our common areas that as a resident you'll be able to enjoy. This one is going to be our billiards room, and we'll have a pool table right where I'm standing. Behind me is the area where hairstyling will take place. Over to my left is the area where the massage room is. And then back through this way is kind of a waiting and reception area, and then there's a pedicure area out through this room. Now we're in the club room. This room is in the mother house, which connects directly to the atrium. As you can see, we're almost complete. In this space, there'll be tables, There'll be a large screen TV over the fireplace. We have a kitchenette here. And then back over here, we have beverage lockers. Thanks for coming along on our tour. Stay tuned for our next update.